Okay, so
Down.
so what you got, Kevin? What model?
Oh, 7310.
Yeah.
Pull the choke out. You got it out. All right, keep pulling. What'd you do to it?
Listen.
I ain't never had that.
Got it flooded now. Flooded your echo, man.
Listen.
I just keep doing that thing.
Shoot, my nokers start easier than that.
Maybe it ain't got no fuel in it.
Ain't got no gas in it. Did you check to see?
It had fuel the other night. Got it flooded now if it had any fuel in it at all.
Oh yeah, I just know.
You can pull that throttle. Mr. Cates, pull that.
Wide open.
There. You want me to come over and pull that throttle while you hold that thing down? Here, drop start it. I'll pull the throttle for you. Stand up and drop start that. You're better at drop starting than standing up.
I might be out of gas, let me see.
Okay, I mean, we could always start with, does it have fuel? But that's what I try to do. It has a lot of pressure. I mean, we couldn't run it out of fuel.
On the very bottom.
I just started
May
it up.
not be enough to keep it going though.
That's car guy shit. Just crank on a car for like 10 minutes.
You are watering.
I'll just throw
I feel bad
gas
for the
in
water
carburetor.
table around here.
But that's old stuff. I don't know
We
what to do
drink it,
today.
so it's fine.
Yeah, I know. I drank some for breakfast.
Okay.
Definitely not good on.
Why is it not good on?
It's just not good on the mass airflow, supposedly.
Okay.
What's not good on a
The
mass
mixture.
airflow?
To just
For
spray.
my carburetors.
spray
Oh,
fuel and shit.
yeah. Yeah.
They have a wire.
I think we're teaching everybody the right
Measures the
chainsaw
mileages, everything.
protocol.
For
Fill up
fuel
with
and
gas and oil way after you want it to start,
There you go,
and
get the oil all
then
over.
just dump the oil on the surface of the gas, and then overfill worse than I do.
That's what you do.
Hey, I'm not one of them people that's real clean.
That's what makes it work so well.
Go ahead and fill it all the way up.
No, my goodness.
Good
Might,
gas
might
gas.
be a while before you use it. You don't need to.
It might be.
It looks like some shit my grandpa took. I guess. Although he usually just sticks a stick in it.
Yeah. I've actually put rags in them before. Even in my car.
Molotov cocktail.
Yeah. When I lost the gas cap.
My wife would kill me if she saw me filling up my chainsaws like that.
That's why you don't let her watch.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to pull on it for you?
No, it's fine.
Okay. Josh is lucky he's got you to start your soft order.
Look.
Got to have it on.
That's off. That's on. See the arrow?
I was off the whole time.
Josh, you trying to start? You trying to
See,
start an
I've been
echo
pulling
off?
on it the wrong way.
Listen.
What about me the other day? What about me the other night? Huh? That's a waste to cross cut that shit. That's so hard.
No, I ain't talking about
That's
that.
hard.
That
I was talking
wood
about
is
on this.
freaking. It's been sitting here 5 years.
At least
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
Hey, but my Noker did blow that away, didn't it?
Which one?
The good one. The Noker just smoked your
I'd
Echo,
say-
didn't it?
I say these two.
We
big
should
ones
put them
are-
up next to each other.
I know yours you're smoking me.
I can
You-
tell.
yeah, yours is
only
smoking
Put
me.
the money in
size,
that one. I'll
seriously.
put in this one.
You
Yeah,
gotta put
yeah,
the
I know.
chainsaw, that's all. I mean, it
Yeah,
might cut
that
you
is a
a little
nice
bit
Echo.
slower.
It's a good thing you taught Josh how to turn it on.
Listen.
Yeah.
And Josh, it was pretty cool where you faked him out on his own saw. But who
I thought
who
it was
started it
right.
right the other night? Who started it right the other night?
You did.
I did. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. All right, everybody take care. Like, subscribe, share, take care. Give him a thumbs up, Josh. There we go.